Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1955 Ford Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We got the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy hookups, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the Ford blue. Front sump oil pan on there, blue ignition wires with all the wire markers and vertical wire looms, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice ball milled polished valve covers with a matching air cleaner, distributor set in place, MST ignition coil, Holley sniper fuel injections on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen, all the settings set for you. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing set, complete drop-in, fully tested, ready to go. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the 302 Ford. Proper balance and tooth count for the customer's AOD transmission. Manifold vacuum fittings are on there for easy hookups for vacuum. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there, oil stick and tube. It's real nice. Wraptor pulley kit, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there, high flow aluminum water pump. Thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, bypass hose, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. So again, you can see it's complete custom built, ready to go. Our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection. Thanks for watching.